Tiger Jairam Mato is the only one person in the Jharkhand who is thinking about the Jharkhand. No other political party can think about the Jharkhand the way Tiger Jairam Mato is thinking.
What do you want to bring a change the politics of Jharkhand?
See, like the politics of Jharkhand is really literally it's a very good question. See, the Jharkhand is like it's like 24 after the 24 year even we are lot of people are employed and see like the education system is not so well here. Like there are so many industry and the minings here, but still people are moving outside of this state. So I think a proper Niyojan Niti, a proper Asthaniya Niti should be implemented. So that like the migration of the people in the Jharkhand can be stopped. So like if the government, if the Tiger Jairam is will be the CM of this Jharkhand, I think he will be thinking of the people, about the people of the Jharkhand, and this kind of issue like education, like unemployment, like migrations, this will be stopped, I think.
How will you convince the public?
See, like this time, as I say, this time, like the peoples of the Jharkhand has emotionally connected to the Tiger Jairam Mato. Have you seen the crowd over here? More than 2,000 people are here. Why? These are not the people who brought here by giving money. They are the people who attracted by the whatever Tiger Jairam Mato has conveyed the message. These are the value of the message of Tiger Jairam Mato, who attract the people. So I think these people are like emotionally connected to the Tiger Jairam Mato, or no doubt they will be giving vote, and they are seeing Tiger Jairam Mato as a future CM.
What's the plan against BJP and JMM of Jalkam?
See, our plan will be the connecting to the people. Like, see, we are the people's party. See, you can see like within three years of this party, like we are creating history in the like India. No party has India, no political party in India is like grow this much the way the JLKM has been grow. So I think the people of the Jharkhand are well connected to us, and they are understanding the message whatever our Supremo has giving message to the people. They are well understood. They are thinking like Tiger Jairam Mato can think about themselves. Tiger Jairam Mato can do something for them. Tiger Jairam Mato can do something for like future, like for the youth of the Jharkhand. They are thinking Tiger Jairam Mato is the only one person in the Jharkhand who is thinking about the Jharkhand. No other political party can think about the Jharkhand the way Tiger Jairam Mato is thinking.
But JLKM party is the newest party in Jharkhand. How do you think about this?
See, no doubt, as you have seen, the party is only 3 year old. Not only 3 year old. The party is only 1 year old. I can say it being only 1 year. I think the party has been the foundation stone of the party has been founded last 1 year, and I think in last 2 months back we have got the registration from the Election Commission of the India. But the kind of crowd you can see in this like Sabha, in this Badlav Sabha. If you see the Badlav Sabha of the Tiger Jairam Mato, the people rush toward the Tiger Jairam Mato. Why? They are thinking like Tiger Jairam Mato is Masiha for them. Tiger Jairam Mato is the only one people in all over the Jharkhand who is talking about the rights of Jharkhand, who is talking about the like future of the Jharkhand, who is talking about the like education of the Jharkhand, who is talking about like the unemployment of the Jharkhand, he is only talking about the displacement of the Jharkhand. So these are the main things through which the people are getting connected to the Tiger Jairam Mato, and I think the peoples of the Jharkhand, I think 3.5 crore publics of the Jharkhand giving full support to the Tiger Jairam Mato, as you can see in his Sabha.